Top 15 Dreamy Bathroom Lighting Ideas and Light Fixtures for both small and large bathrooms. Top 100 Modern Bathroom Design Ideas, 2023. Though the modern structure often treats the bathroom like a strictly utilitarian quarter, those with heightened sensibilities know better. A well-designed and personally appointed bathroom welcomes one with the same style and comfort as any of a home's leading rooms, beginning with the lighting itself. Nothing casts a less attractive impression than harsh fluorescent or overtly dim default lighting, and even the most luxurious bathroom can suffer the effects of such neglect. Your bathroom's lighting should feel natural and complementary, luminous but unforced, and always aligned with the interior theme and decor. From state-of-the-art LED fixtures to free-hanging pendant designs and updated chandeliers, as well as futuristic light tubes, there is no limit to the models from which to choose from. The only thing you have to decide is, what does your bathroom style say about you? Do you prefer to bathe in the warm, subdued hues of an adjustable feature, or find yourself drawn to the brightly colored Moroccan lantern? Would you rather wake to the no-nonsense cheer of a mid-century vintage fixture? Whatever the answer, let's get started with these top 15 best bathroom lighting ideas and schemes that are waiting for your signature touch. Vintage lights. Vintage architecture is picking up great speed these days in modern homes. You can also put a vintage light in your bathroom. It may include a simple ancient designed lamp or a crystal chandelier. Believe it. LED bulbs. If you want a simple yet beautiful bathroom lighting concept, you can fit LED bulbs. They consume less energy and give bright light. Whether it is day or night, these LED bulbs will serve the purpose well. Geometric lamps. Geometric lamps are modern ideas for bathroom lights. You can get a spherical or square lamp with unique designs for enhancing the look of your bathroom. Go for a different style tub for a more pleasing look. Layers. Decorative ceiling lights look classy in the bathroom. You can place spotlights in the ceiling, which spreads a magical touch in the bathroom. One of the best bathroom lighting fixtures is placing a crystal lamp in the middle area with spotlights on the sides. Candlestick chandelier. You can enjoy bathing in the candlelight as much as you can. Simple candles put above the bathtub really give a soothing feel. Glittering lights. Nowadays, you can find many lamps with gold and silver designs for giving the bathroom a rich look. A golden or silver beaded pendant will throw a good amount of light while bathing in the morning or at night. Multicolored lamps. You can pick a multicolored lamp for placing in the bathroom. There are many beautiful colors available in these lamps, which you can choose, such as cherry red, green or blue. The bathroom will look more awesome in a layer of colors, and you will simply get the heavenly feel. Sconces. Scones are one of the most popular bathroom lighting interiors, which you will find in modern homes today. Stunning sconces, hung above the mirror, look so decent, and it will throw the light in the entire bathroom area. You can then place a cabinet under these lamps for the elegant appearance of your bathroom. Sparkling lights. If you want a magical spark in your bathroom, you can choose a crystal pendant with intricate designs. To beautify the look of the bathroom, you can then place an artistic mirror, which will reflect the light in the whole bathroom. LED lights on both sides. An LED light on one side is a great idea, but if you place them both on top and bottom of the mirror, they will give a more royal look. They are power savers, and at the same time, very glowing ones. In most of the hotel and restaurant bathrooms today, you will find automatic LED lights on both sides of the mirror that light up only when someone enters. Vanity lights. Vanity lights will give your whole bathroom a good look. You can place them on both sides of the bathroom. Additionally, you should choose elegant ceiling lights for more brightness. Vanity lights come in various sizes. You have to choose one according to your need. Glass light fixtures. The bulbs in the glass-shaped fixtures are one of the latest bathroom lighting tips. You can then place a flower pot alongside the wash basin. For a more vibrant look, you can also choose a unique towel hook. Light tubes. If you are a person who loves a soft glow while having a bath, you can try light tubes. They can be fitted adjacent to the windows, and the shade is just appropriate without much brightness. Light tubes will look great both during the day and at night. Backlit lighting. Lights placed behind the mirror will spread a positive atmosphere in the bathroom. You will cooler and more relaxing with backlit lighting in your bathroom. Indoor and outdoor lighting fixtures. This is also an amazing way to light your contemporary bathrooms. The bathroom is one of, if not the, most oft-used room in the house, which is why its frequent short shrift is such a mystery. Why not create a space you'll look forward to stepping into every morning, and likewise exiting each night after a grueling day? If the bathroom is where a man cleanses and purifies, then the light he basks in is nothing short of an adoring spotlight.